How to fix Windows 10 not responding. So whenever you try to turn on a program and the program's not loading, then you might see a sign right here saying that this program is not running. For example, let's say that Chrome is not loading or is not responding to your Windows while you're trying to work with the program. So in order to fix that, what you can do is go to search bar right here and then type troubleshoot. Go to troubleshoot settings. After you do that, click on other troubleshooters right here. Now slide down, and right here in the fourth option you should see program compatibility troubleshooter. Make sure to click on run right beside it. Click on it. It might take a bit of time in order to detect issues, and after you are presented with the pop-up as shown in the screen, just click on which app you are having the problem with. For example, Google Chrome. Let me click on it and then click on next right here, and here you'll see troubleshooting options. Either you want to choose compatibility settings based on problems, or you want to test run program using recommended capability settings. So I'd prefer try recommended settings right here, the first option. Click on it and click on test the program. So you'll be led to the program and then you can test if the program's doing okay, and it pretty much will. So that's how you do it. That's how you fix the programs that are not responding inside Windows 10 or Windows 11. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.